If you're going to give advice, and I say this on the podcast all the time, this is one of my favorite questions because at the end of the day, this podcast was really designed just to share and learn from each other. But if you had to give advice to an organization regarding successful MES implementations as a tool for business continuous improvement and value realization, what would you say in terms of learning, leadership, and culture? So what little nugget can you leave our listeners with in that regard?
Well, I mentioned a few things already that give you how MES can help you use things like Industry 4.0 and also hopefully like a product like Factivity. And we're not the only product in the market, and we know that. But how to make your operation processes more productive and informative. So MES is a group of tools, right? They not only streamline data collection, again, there's that word, but also can provide real-time analytics, enterprise interfacing, machine interfacing, all that stuff. For those companies that have implemented MES through Factivity, I believe you'll find successes and an overall satisfaction. At least I know I'd like to hope so. The original leadership saw an opportunity when we thought about this 30 years to enrich the factory floor, okay, and gain the benefits of assisting there. As Factivity, we continue to push these goals and focus on it, at every single implementation. Any company looking to bring an MES online has to focus on this. And I hope Factivity will be the product that will lead a lot of them there. I do appreciate you talking to me about Factivity. Certainly a product dear to my heart.
Yeah. Well, Oskar, it was really a pleasure, and I appreciate talking to you as well about Factivity and letting our listeners learn some more about the product. We truly appreciate your dedication to the trade and you and the Factivity team. And like I said, I'm quite familiar with Factivity, and I know over the years you've developed, and it's a very sound product.